Welcome to the top best. The best first day sign is probably one of the most cherished keepsakes a parent can have, capturing that magical moment of a child's educational journey and preserving it for years to come, allowing you to relive those precious memories every time you look back at the photos. Number 5. PETCEE First Day of School Board Sign. The first and last day of school mark important moments in your child's journey. This sign helps you cherish these memories, looking back on their growth and forward to their future. Get both the first day and last day in a single, convenient package. This double-sided design saves you money and hassle, eliminating the need for separate signs. Simply use liquid chalk markers to write your child's details. Wiping it clean with a damp cloth is quick and easy, ready for the next milestone. Crafted from a sturdy yet lightweight density board, it's built to last. The 11 by 14 inch size is ideal for photos and easy for little hands to hold. Perfect for documenting the start of every school year, from preschool through college. Record their name, grade, and date to create lasting photo memories. This sign makes a thoughtful gift for any student. It's a wonderful way to preserve the memories of their academic journey year after year. What we like? This option offers a generous 11 by 14 inch size, perfect for capturing clear photos. It's double-sided, providing both first and last day options in one. If you're looking for a sign that's substantial enough for great photos and versatile for multiple school years, this is a fantastic choice. What people say? It has to be liquid chalk pens or markers or whatever. But it works great with those and wipes off perfectly clean. It's double-sided and chalk markers write so smoothly on it. Really good quality because it actually wipes away, doesn't get stained up like a lot of other chalkboards do. I love it. So easy to clean compared to regular chalk. The colors are vibrant too. I highly recommend this board for back to school and last day pics. Number 4. Double-sided First Day of School Sign Board. Mark the first and last day of school with this reusable sign. It's designed to spark creativity and make memories that last. Featuring classic early childhood elements, this board encourages children to express themselves. It's perfect for preschool through elementary school. This durable sign comes ready for your child's artistic touch. The non-porous surface is simple to wipe clean and dries quickly for endless fun. With ample space for free expression and rounded corners for safety, it's built for little hands. It's the perfect size for long-term use. Use it to capture precious photos, as a fun decoration, or as a gift that encourages creativity. It's a versatile tool for documenting growth. This washable chalkboard allows for colorful creations with water-based art supplies. It's a sustainable way to celebrate every school year. What we like? This board is designed with classic early childhood elements to engage your child. Its 12 by 10 inch size and rounded corners make it safe and easy for little ones to handle. If you want a sign that encourages your child's creativity and is safe for them to use, this is the one to consider. What people say? With it being double-sided, you only need to purchase the one. It was worth the money. The print on it is bright and legible, easily stores in the closet, and wipes easily. It's also quite thin but sturdy. This board made our first day photos pop. The colors are vibrant, it's perfectly sized for kids to hold, and it wipes clean in seconds. I love that it's double-sided, one side for the first day, one for the last, so you capture the whole school year with a single purchase. The 12 by 10 inch size is sturdy but lightweight, with rounded corners that feel safe for little hands. The surface is smooth and non-porous, so water-based crayons or markers work perfectly and clean up without ghost marks. Bright chalk colors. Used for first day of school photos. Loved the questions. Good size for 5-year-old to hold. Easy to clean. My daughter thought it was a fun idea. Number 3. Hadley designs my first day of school sign board. Start a fun new tradition with this reusable sign. It's designed with love to help you capture those precious first day moments. This double-sided board comes with an eraser, perfect for documenting your child's growth year after year. Take unforgettable photos to cherish forever. Easily record your child's journey through school with this chalkboard sign. It's the perfect way to remember every step of their development. Use it for preschool, pre-K, or kindergarten. This versatile sign is ideal for marking the first day of any grade. From daycare to kindergarten and beyond, this sign is suitable for every stage. It's the ideal companion for first and last day photos. This reusable sign is thoughtfully designed and made in the USA. It's a beautiful way to celebrate your child's educational milestones. What we like. This 11 by 14-inch sign is designed with care in the USA and even comes with an eraser. It's perfect for creating a fun back-to-school tradition. If you value American-made products and want a complete package to start documenting your child's school journey, this is an excellent option. What people say. The sign is a great size for photos and has plenty of space to write on. It's very sturdy and durable, and the dry erase surface is smooth and easy to clean. The design is cute and colorful, and it's perfect for capturing those special first-day memories. Number 2. First day of school board, 10 double-sided chalkboards. Start a fun new tradition for your child's school year. These signs are proudly made in the USA with high-quality cardstock. With 10 double-sided signs, you can document every important school milestone. Take adorable photos to cherish these moments forever. Easily record your child's journey through the school years. These signs are perfect for capturing precious memories before they pass. Use these versatile signs for any age or grade level. They are ideal for preschool, kindergarten, and all the way through elementary school. We are so confident in the quality of our signs that we offer a lifetime manufacturer warranty. Capture memories that last a lifetime with peace of mind. What we like. This product offers incredible value with a pack of 10 double-sided signs, all made in the USA. It also comes with a lifetime manufacturer's warranty for peace of mind. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to capture a decade of school memories or want the assurance of a warranty, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say. They come with 10 sheets, so perfect for multiple kids or for the October 1st years of school. Front and back. Front is for first day and back is for last day, so everything is on one page and they don't get separated as years pass. The colors are vibrant and there's a nice sheen finish to the cardstock. These are cute though and big enough to be legible when filled out with a Sharpie in a contrasting color. The size is perfect and the quality is great. She just started kindergarten, so it will be a tradition going forward. Number 1. 10 double-sided first and last day boards. Looking for a fun way to mark the beginning of the school year? These signs are perfect for creating a cherished back-to-school tradition. Unlike others, our signs are proudly made in the USA using thick, durable cardstock. You can trust in the quality of these boards. With 10 double-sided signs, you can capture adorable photos of your child's growth throughout their school years. These make wonderful photo props. Easily record precious moments before they pass. This chalkboard sign is ideal for documenting your child's journey from their first day to their last. Whether it's preschool, kindergarten, or first grade, these signs are designed for every age and grade level. They offer a modern chalkboard look. We're confident in our product's quality, offering a lifetime manufacturer warranty. Our family-owned business is here to help you preserve these memories. What we like. This option provides a fantastic deal with 10 double-sided signs, proudly made in the USA, and backed by a lifetime warranty. It's perfect for families who want to document many years of school milestones or for those who appreciate long-term value and support. If you're planning ahead for multiple children or years, this multi-pack is a smart choice. What people say. Beautiful colors and thick sturdy material, not flimsy. Well made. They are great for first and last day of school. Cardstock paper, so they are not flimsy. Bright color and not wasteful with the first and last day on either side. Super cute. Not too much info, but just enough. Front and back sided for first day of school and last. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.